Welcome everyone. Today we are at Masjid Al-Farooq in Mississauga, a historic and deeply cherished place of worship. Named after Umar Al-Farooq radiallahu anhu, the second Caliph of Islam, this masjid was established in 1987 as the first mosque in the city of Mississauga. Situated on nearly 2 acres of land, it serves as a thriving Muslim community at the heart of the city. Right now, the masjid is undergoing a major phase to construction and renovation, ensuring it can continue to serve the community for generations to come. Due to the ongoing work, the main entrance has been moved to the back of the masjid. As you have seen, construction is in full swing. The masjid is expanding to accommodate more worshippers and provide better facilities for the community. Even with the ongoing work, the masjid remains a spiritual hub for Muslims in Mississauga. Downstairs, the basement serves as multipurpose classrooms for educational programs. During Jum'ah, it transforms into an additional prayer space when needed. Today, it's being used to serve iftar for the community. They're serving iftar all day in Ramadan and they serve meals after iftar only in weekends. There are also wudu and washroom areas downstairs to accommodate worshippers. On Saturdays and Sundays, Masjid Al-Farooq hosts special sermons by scholars before iftar right after Asr prayer. This talk provides valuable knowledge and spiritual upliftment, reminding us of the essence of Ramadan.
You are going looking through the lenses of the Quran and the Sunnah. If you are, then you will see the beauty of the challenge. During that time,
Tonight, we were blessed to hear a beautiful sermon reflecting on the early struggles of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the unwavering faith of his companions. The masjid's intricate interior design adds to the spiritual experience, making it a place of peace and reflection. Ramadan is a time of renewal, connection, and gratitude. And sitting in this sacred space, we are reminded of the importance of faith and patience. Now, iftar time is almost here. Let's head downstairs. For the initial iftar, we are served samosas, dal, chutney, and dates. A simple yet a fulfilling way to break our fast. Everyone is seated, waiting patiently for the adhan to echo through the masjid so we can break our fast together. After iftar and maghrib prayer, we all head downstairs once again to grab our full meal. The atmosphere is warm and filled with gratitude. Today didn't get any space inside. I mean, there was space, but I thought, okay, let people have it because I can always eat in the car. So we got today vegetables, hummus, and then um, beef, and then rice, and then roti or pita, and you can say a typical shawarma platter. And we're gonna have it today in the car. Masjid Al Farooq is incredibly generous, offering food and spiritual nourishment to the community. However, they are currently undergoing major renovations and they currently need donations to complete the construction. If you'd like to support this masjid, please consider donating using the official link below in the description. Ramadan Mubarak.